Hey, good Friday evening, everyone. Meteorologist Doug Heading. I hope you've had a fantastic day and enjoying not having severe weather. It's all down across southern Oklahoma, northern parts of Texas for today, but our chances will increase again as we go into the weekend. Bridgewater Roofing Weather Center takes care of you one roof at a time. If you're a part of that EF1 tornado, give those guys a call. They'll get you all hooked up. Midwest Storm Shelters, look at this, level 3 out of 5. Once again, as we go into Saturday, mainly south of Wichita, Tulsa, Oak City, Muskogee, down toward Fort Smith. Joplin's in a 2. Our northeast counties are in a 1. And this is kind of a conditional threat. It's not going to be a line of storms. It's going to be little clusters that pop up. So we just got to see where those clusters are as we get into Saturday evening. But the greater tornado threat is Tulsa south. It's not 0 for us, but still something we want to watch. Now on Sunday, very conditional threat again. And when I say conditional, that means we have to have those right conditions. We are going to be capped. But if we could get 1 or 2 storms through the cap, then we will have a chance for them to go severe. And then we should get scattered storms Sunday night. But the greater threat, central parts of Kansas, for us, most of us, a level 2 out of 5 threat. And then look at this, it starts to shift east on Monday, then we get a break, much needed break. Let me take you through time. Futurecast powered by Paschal Air Plumbing and Electric. So most of tomorrow's going to be dry. It's going to be mild, it's going to be windy. We'll look for supercells to pop up central Kansas down through central Oklahoma. Remember, that greater severe threat or tornado threat is south of Tulsa. But any of these guys could go severe and possibly rotate. I think for us, kind of in this northern cluster, we have a little higher chance for gusty winds and large hail. Scattered thunderstorms drive through tomorrow evening. So our main timing tomorrow is kind of 6 p.m. until about midnight, and then severe threat is pretty much gone. Then we look pretty good. Then we do it again Sunday. Remember, if 1 or 2 storms can get through the cap Sunday afternoon, we could get a rogue severe storm. But the better chances out across central Kansas, and some of those, very scattered, could drive through. But a good chunk of us may not even see a drop on Sunday and also Sunday night. Now, on Monday, here's the true cold front finally coming through. And along it, we may get a couple that try to pick up and then drive east really quickly. Then we move into our break, which is going to be great to see. Firm Foundation Repair Evening Planner. 70s, 60s. If you want to sit out on the porch, it's going to be a great evening. Maple leaf temps tonight, kind of mid 50s. On your Saturday, upper 70s to near 80. Sunday, mid 70s as we go into the afternoon. And your downstream casino 7-day forecast drying out a bit next Tuesday, Wednesday. Slight chance for storms back in as we go into Thursday of next week. But overall, looking much better.